Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use auto adjust on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project and just go to the lower bar, that to the edit button at the lower left corner, and here you can find the adjust option next to the filters. Tap that and you can find the first option, the auto adjust. If you have a pro membership, you can use that, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.